All right. So hi guys. My topic or my research question is pertaining to microfinance. So we're currently on the ZSR library homepage, and we're looking to do just a basic search at first. So starting off, we'll just type in microfinance. So after I type this in as my keyword, a bunch of related articles, books, and databases will then pop up. I then have the opportunity to skim through these results between articles and books, which will most likely be the sources that you will be deriving when crafting any sort of major research paper. So, since I think a lot of these titles that were given here from Diffusion of Microfinance, Microfinance Finance a Reader, since a lot of these are not as specific as I want, I'm going to refine my search. So, since my topic is kind of directly related to how microfinance empowers women within the global south, I'm going to look and try and refine my search for that. So, I'm going to put women and microfinance in here. So then, as we see, once I've changed this, we can then find results related directly to the keywords that I've searched. So I'm going to click on this, the results for books right here. And the first option that ends up coming up is woman in microfinance in the global south, which is exactly what I'm looking for. It just happened to be that way. It doesn't normally end up happening that way, so you might need to refine your search using the given filters here on the side of the homepage. So, for example, one of the main key filters that a lot of people use is to filter by publication date to get only the most up to date and recent material. So, for a paper like this, considering microfinance got its start around uh, the late 1990s, early 2000s, I'm going to probably expand my publication date range to around 5 years. So by doing that, be given scholarly articles and directly related to my topic that have been produced within the last 5 years. So, say I'm not looking to cite a book in this instance, and I might want to choose what site type of content I want. So, going here along the side, as you can see, there are a list of many different types of mediums and content in which there are articles or books or whatnot related to my topic. So as you can see, there are 8,805 newspaper articles, 596 trade publication articles, 592 books, 522 books, and 71 books slash ebooks. And there also are an option to do more. But for this, I am going to look at a dissertation and thesis. I think often I'm a poli sci major, so I often derive a lot of my information and research and data for a lot of my major research proposals and papers from other dissertations and thesis proposed by other scholars that have done primary or initial research within this area. So I'm going to click on dissertation and thesis. And once we click apply, we will now be given 670 results, all dissertations or theses, or sorry, let me just uncheck these, uncheck book chapters, and now we just have the 78 results related to microfinance and women. And then lastly, now we're going to talk about should we need to cite any of the material. So on this database through the ZSR website, you're actually given a really awesome tool that can be used to cite any of your resources very quickly and instantaneously. One option is to, if you want to do the short option of this, is just clicking directly on these two quotation marks in the upper right hand corner. That will then give you the option to choose what type of citation you want. For the sake of this video, we'll use APA. And then after that, the ZSR website should produce a perfect citation in typical APA format. You can also get a citation for an article or book by clicking on it. And once again, you will see the double quotations up in the upper right-hand corner. Click Cite, and you will once again get the option of the drop-down menu. And from there, you can choose exactly what type of citation you would like. Hopefully this video was educational and informative. I did my best to include all the material that was required. Thank you so much, and hope you have a good day.